Welcome to the AMT encoder installation tutorial, where we will outline the steps required to accurately mount an AMT encoder onto a motor. Before beginning installation, it is important to note that these AMT encoders come with an alignment tool pre-installed. Leave the alignment tool in place until the installation process is complete. Begin by selecting the appropriately sized shaft adapter and insert it into the centering tool. Note that for a 6mm motor shaft, no shaft adapter is required. Place the plastic base over the motor shaft. Next, slide the centering tool and shaft adapter over the motor shaft. The centering tool will hold the base in the proper position. While holding the centering tool down in place, install screws to secure the base to the motor body. Remove the centering tool and take the shaft adapter out of the centering tool. Rotate the pre-installed alignment tool clockwise and completely to the right so that the pre-installed shaft set screw is visible. Insert the shaft adapter into the encoder, making sure the adapter is properly aligned with the keyway in the metal hub. Again, note that no adapter is needed for a 6mm motor shaft. Select the placement tool and insert it into the assembly. The placement tool holds the encoder's hub and shaft adapter in the proper position for installation onto the motor shaft. Position the encoder so it can snap onto the plastic base, as the encoder will only snap into place in one orientation. Slide the encoder onto the motor shaft, applying force only to the placement tool to maintain proper alignment of the encoder's hub and shaft adapter. Ensure all 4 locking tabs are secured in place over the encoder hub. Insert the Allen wrench into the notch on top of the encoder and tighten the shaft set screw to the recommended torque specification listed on the applicable AMT encoder datasheet. Rotate the placement tool and alignment tool counterclockwise until the tabs align with the openings. Remove both tools from the encoder. When installation is finished, the motor shaft should be rotating freely. Thank you for watching our AMT encoder series installation tutorial. For more information or support, please email us or visit our website. Thanks for watching.